Keeping your organization secure nowadays requires much more than the basic hygiene and compliance checks. It's about getting a full grasp of your digital exposure, both on-prem and in the cloud, and about making sure you have a sound audit over your identity stores, applications, mobile devices, with the right detection and visibility layers. You also have to be more proactive and incorporate threat intelligence and threat hunting in our security stack. We at CrowdStrike have been consistently sponsoring and participating in ITWeb Security Summit. This year, we're proud participants in the Cape Town edition. We would not miss a chance to benefit from one of the best cybersecurity platforms in South Africa. It is important to connect with your technology peers. It is important to keep yourself informed of the latest technologies, field advancements, as well as discover solution providers that are actually investing in establishing themselves in the South African market. This year, two main topics. Artificial intelligence, that's the talk of the town. We've seen moves from major companies such as Apple and Samsung in banning access to the ChatGPT app for employees. The biggest concern being data privacy, making sure that employees do not disclose confidential information to the AI tool. Another major topic is consolidation. Customers have been asking us to do more with less, use less tools to protect their sprawling digital infrastructure. We at CrowdStrike are having an active presence at ITWeb Security Summit as usual. This edition, 2023, is kicking off in Cape Town on June 14th with the workshops, and June 15th in Century City Convention Center, Cape Town for the actual event. Don't be late to sign up online, and see you at ITWeb Security Summit 2023, Cape Town.